Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, UST Incorporated expands cooperation with universities. UST Transport Systems is in Nepal. SWC arranged meetings with Michael Bang in the cities of Central Asia. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. The Media Center of UST Incorporated announces a new discovery in the field of personnel policy of the company. The Belarusian-Russian University has become another institution of higher education, with which the company has signed a cooperation agreement. A large expert material on improving the transport system of Nepal is ready. There is an acute environmental situation in the country. In cities, especially in Kathmandu, the concentration of harmful particles exceeds the recommendations of the World Health Organization by 8 to 9 times. The specialists of UST Incorporated proposed the introduction of UST complexes in the country, which should replace part of urban transport, the main source of air pollution by fine particles. 2-day seminars were held in Osh, Bishkek, Almaty, Astana, and Fergana, with the participation of SWC experts and Michael Bang, an international business coach, leading expert in sales and leadership. The immersion into the world of the ecosystem took place together with recognized industry experts, Alexei Sukhodoev, co-founder of SWC, and Elena Pichushkina, Director for Network Development in SWC. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.